Y'all ready for a first impression video? Let's go. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Rome 300. Welcome to He Smells Like Rome. We got a nice gift for y'all. This is a first impression video for Affinessence perfume Paris, and I actually got two fragrances I'm gonna basically be talking about. We got Musk Ambergris and Cure Kakuma from Affinessence. Sophie was kind enough to send me these two, I guess, travel atomizers or samples so I can test them out, see if I want to purchase them. So I said, why not do a first impressions? So we're going to start off with the one that I know this is going to be a crowd pleaser. This is one going to be probably a favorite of the community, especially fragrance enthusiasts. This is Cure Cabana, I guess that's how you say it. I'll put the name down at the bottom. This is a fresh take on a woody, suede-like leather fragrance with hints of sweetness and also hints of resonance. This is, in my opinion, if you like, and I'm not saying it smells like it, but I'm saying if you like the DNA of Grand Soir by Macy's Francis Kirkjohn, this you will love. Even if you just like that one. If you love that, you're going to dig this one. And like I said, it don't smell similar. They just have kind of like cousins in the DNA. And I'll explain that. This one has, and I'm going to spray it on my hands so I can kind of get, you know, just... And this is not a review, this is just a first impression. Honestly, I have sprayed this before, I've worn it once before, but I want to just so you guys can get a video so you understand what I'm talking about. So let's spray it here. Okay, so like I said, when you first spray this, you get a, okay, so like I said, when you first spray this, you get a blast of sweet suede with a slight woody undertone. And for me, this is a very warm, almost animalic, resinous type of leather. And it has a sweetness, a slight powdery sweetness to it with thick leather, almost suede-like leather with a syrupy kind of character. And this is super sexy, man. This is like suave. You are dressed to impress in your nice, you know, suit or your nice suede blazer with a fresh pair of jeans, a nice pair of leather boots on. This is really nice. It also has this kind of like slightly herbal, earthy patchouli in it, and this is good. This is a good one, guys. This is really nice, man. Definitely something I'm gonna pick up. Definitely gonna pick this up. So that's my first impression on this. But like I said, that's just the first press. That's the first opening. The dry down, if I can remember, is a little bit more leather, dry leather, still resinous, but not so much on the sweetness. So that is Kakuma. I hope I'm saying that right. So let's move to the next one. And these fragrances actually were released in 2017, around October, November, late 2017. So these are actually new fragrances. So I'm really excited about that. The next one is Musk Ambergris, and basically the name says it all. I'm gonna spray this one on my hand so I can get a first blast of this. I'm actually wearing this my scent of the day, but so you guys can get an idea of what the opening's like. So, oh gosh, man. When I tell you we have a winner on our hands for, you know, definitely musky, a almost smoky, dry amber. And if you don't know what ambergris is, if I'm correct, I've heard and read a couple of things on ambergris. Ambergris is whale vomit, and it only comes from one type of whale. It's I'm trying to remember the name of the whale. I'll put a picture up of the whale. But it's one type of whale they get this vomit from, and they basically regurgitate what they can't digest in the middle of the ocean, and it dries up, hits the shores, or, you know, people literally go out to the middle of the ocean to grab it because it's, you know, like hundreds of thousands of dollars for just, you know, not even a lot of it because it's so rare. But it's supposed to kind of replace the smell of amber or invoke the smell of amber, because from my knowledge, correct me if I'm wrong, amber doesn't exist anymore. It's like, you know, was in the Stone Age, it you know, was gone. So the idea of what amber smells like, or trying to replicate what amber smells like, the closer you can get is ambergris. So this right here has a more of a dry, smoky amber with a musky undertone, and it's not like a dirty, you know, body odor musk. This is like musk, like maybe you were out and, you know, on the beach all day, you know, playing around, maybe sweating a little bit, went into the ocean water, and you just basically haven't, you know, taken a shower, but you still smell like the ocean water with a little bit of amber behind it. And oh man, this also has kind of a animalistic character to it also. It also has, you know, a slight earthy, patchouli kind of smell to it that, man, this is more, I think this one is more the unisex fragrance versus that one. And maybe from my description it doesn't sound like it, but I can see a woman wearing this and liking this. That, yeah, but I would definitely be kind of more drawn towards, yeah, this is more of a manly smell. But this, the Musk Ambergris, this is definitely unisex. If I smell this on a woman, I'm asking where you got it from. Man, you smell great. Oh, this one's good. This is definitely going to be, both of them are going to be in my collection. Hopefully I can get them and do a full review on both of them. But just off of the first impressions, man, this one is great. This one is also great. And I'm telling you, if you like Grand, this it kind of reminds me of it, but it doesn't smell like Grand Soir. You know, Grand Soir has more of the amber and more of a holiday kind of vibe with, you know, some sweetness in there. But this one, this is like almost new car suede with just nice, cool resin sweetness in it. Oh man, that's dope. I gotta buy both of these. I gotta get both of these, definitely. Look for the review. Hopefully I, you know, done it justice. Hopefully you guys might pick them up also, check them out. What I'll do is, since I think it's like maybe like 10 mil, maybe 8 mil, something like that, I'm gonna make a 2 mil sample of this and a 2 mil sample of this, and I'm gonna give it to one lucky subscriber so you guys can get an opportunity to check it out, because the house, man, Affinessence, they are just, you know, blowing me away with the creations that they're coming out with. And it's fairly a new house, so I want to put the word out. You guys definitely need to check this house out. These two are definitely something that will be in my collection, hopefully by this year, or maybe one this year, maybe one next year. But if I had to say my favorite, I would say right now the Musk is first, and then the Cure is second. Well, both are great fragrances. Check them out, guys. All right, that's the first impression on Affinessence, Cure, and Musk Ambergris fragrances. So, yeah, that was pretty easy. That wasn't too much. Hopefully I was clear. Hopefully I wasn't confusing. Let me know what you guys think. If you tried it, if you want to try it, the link down below will let you know where you can order samples and also the fragrances. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, man. I appreciate all you guys. Do me a favor, if you like this video, if you like the first impressions, please give me a thumbs up. Send me some comments, let me know what's going on with you guys. And also hit that bell icon so you can get some, you know, content. You know, I'm trying to show y'all some stuff that I'm, you know, working with, you know. I don't be doing this for nothing. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I appreciate you guys. And like I always say, it's okay if you want to smell like Rome. I will check you guys out with the next video. Peace.